Welcome to eLearning Portal. Today we will learn how to create setup file with Advanced MSI installer. It's a very good installer and it is used to make and create setup files after you have done with your project in Visual Studio. Then you can create a setup file to deploy your project. So first of all, the first step is to download Advanced MSI installer, and you can download it from the link that I have given in the description down below. So download first. Now go and download the software, and then we will talk about how to install it and how to do further tasks with it. So here I have it, the setup, and I click on install. It's a very easy and basic process. Just you have to do next, and your setup will be installed. So it has been installed and it is asking me to launch after finishing the installation. So yes, we can start our working. So it is the interface of our installer, and the first thing is that you should know the path from where you are going to create your application. So we are going to make setup of our Visual Studio application, that the application that we have created in our Visual Studio. So double click on Visual Studio application. Name any name, you can give any name to your product, to your application. So I am going to name it demo app, and my name ELP. Uh, then go to next, click on next. Here name the package demo app, click on next. This is the first thing that you should notice very carefully. Click on this button, and here give the path of the project you want to create the setup. So copy this path and paste it here, press enter, and double click on the Visual Studio application solution file and click open. Next. It will load the whole application into your installer. So it has loaded the application. Now click on debug folder and click next. Here select all and click next. Here it is asking you that what should be the starting point of your application. It is asking for you to the exe. Okay, so we have this exe and it is checked by default. Click next. Now here it is asking you to launch application after install. Click on this checkbox and give the path of your exe. Click next, and finish. So here you can give your product URL and your contact number and other details. Now the main thing is go to files and folders. Here you have to give the folders, you have to create the folders that are present in your debug folder. So right click on add folder and go to debug folder and create these folders one by one. Again click add, click on the second one. Similarly do this process for all the remaining folders that are present in your debug folder. So I have done this process for all the folders that were present in my debug folder. Now the last step is go to your debug folder, Control A, copy all this and paste or drag it to your this area. Yes to all, so that if by mistake any folder or any file has been left, then it should be copied to your setup file. So you have done with all your files and all this process. Now click on home and click on build. The build has been started, and after this build is completed your setup file would be created. And where would be created? By default, the go to your documents and there is a folder named Advanced MSI Installer. You can see this is the folder that is created by default when your software is Advanced Installer is installed. Go to this folder, go to projects, and here the folder of your application, of your newly created setup would be placed here. And go to any CPU debug setup files, and here is the setup file that is being created. Still it is in progress. After this whole process is completed, I'm not going to install this app, but we have done with our setup making. See, this is your setup file. So we have done with our creating the setup. I hope you have learned something new and special and valuable from my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions or comments, write down them in comments down below, and or mail me at my email address abbas.thegreat5@gmail.com.